sure if these are Otis or not. I think these are ThyssenKrupp as well. A lot of ThyssenKrupps here.
You know elevators, man?
Second floor going down.
You know the brand of elevators?
Sorry?
You know the brand of elevators too?
Well, yeah.
This elevator smells good. I'm not gonna lie. I like the smell of this elevator. It smells a lot
The
better.
carpet smells like it's just
Yeah.
vacuumed.
It smells better than pee.
Alright.
Parking level 3 going up.
Are we walking all the way back to this, where we came from to get on train?
We're probably just gonna get on at Churchill.
Yeah. Alright.